At CES 2019, Audi showed off a VR game called Marvel's Avengers, Rocket's Rescue Run. It's the first demo product from Holoride, a new startup in which Audi holds a minority stake. In the back seat of an Audi E-Tron crossover, wearing an Oculus Rift, Rocket encouraged me to shoot asteroids or rival drones as I flew through outer space. Audi and Disney are working together to produce a new media format which aims to bring VR to cars. The VR experience is intended to match visually what the passengers feel as they ride. If the car turns, accelerates, or brakes, the VR environment will do the same. Holoride offers you elastic content. It's automatically generated to suit each journey. A movie that you watch on your iPad might be longer or shorter than your ride, but Holorides will automatically match the length of the route programmed in the car's nav system. In one demo, passengers see a cartoon-like, brightly colored town with intersections that match up to real-world intersections. In another mock-up, you can fly through a prehistoric landscape, turning left or right, soaring over dinosaurs. If you're someone who gets carsick, this will actually be a better experience because the visual cues match the car's real-world movements, so you're less likely to get sick. We're excited to see what this spin-off from Audi comes up with. For now, their first demo knocked our virtual socks off. I'm your host, Nicole Scott, for Mobile Geeks.